Okay, very good evening, all the young aspirants of our plant sciences and botany. Today's our eminent resource person, Dr. Dr.D.Nagaraju garu, senior most botany faculty in our Telangana state. Sir is very busy, even though Sir has today attended the workshop in Siddipet, GDC, botany department, and also Sir has given his valuable time during this 9:34 p.m. for your future endeavors. So, my dear friends, listen carefully. It is most important topic, most important bits also Sir is going to explain because of Sir is most expert in the field of mycology or in the fungi of our plant sciences botany. All the topics are very efficient, even though Sir has given his valuable time for in our PG entrance examination. So we would like to invite Dr. D. Nagaraj, sir. Please welcome and start your session, sir.
Okay. Very good evening. Good evening to all the young botanists, aspirants of the botany. We thank you all because of your choosing the botany. We are very much interested in the botany. We are motivating, elaborating, and enthusiastic of all the people about the botany. You know, we all because of the botany. You all, how many are there? You all take a deep breath in.
ఓకే మాట్లాడండి సార్ తోటి మీరు ఇంటరాక్ట్ కావచ్చు మిత్రమా.
We all take a deep breath in. Say yes, thanks to the plants. We are breathing because of the plants. You know what we are breathing because of the plants. Oxygen.
Yes.
You know
Yes,
the basic fundamental reaction, life-giving reaction that is occurring only in the plant. What is that reaction? What is that reaction? Basic life-giving reaction. No. In which reaction oxygen release?
Photosynthesis.
Yeah, photosynthesis. The photosynthesis with plants release the oxygen. It intake the carbon dioxide, na? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
The plant take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. What reaction it is?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. In the respiration, what the plants intake? In the respiration.
Oxygen.
O2. Huh? We all get confused. Plants take the what it take? Whatever any living organism, it take the oxygen in the respiration and release the carbon dioxide. We usually get confused. Plant intake the carbon dioxide in the respiration and exhale the oxygen. But don't confuse. They also a living organism. They also take the oxygen only in the respiration. Okay. Only oxygen giving reaction, special reaction, that is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what type of reaction it is? You know, metabolic reactions are two types.
It is anabolic reaction.
Anabolic reaction and catabolism. Anabolism and catabolism both are there, na? Anabolic reaction. Photosynthesis is the anabolic reaction. In the so many exams they ask, photosynthesis is the anabolic reaction or catabolic reaction, or both or nothing. Photosynthesis is the anabolic reaction. It synthesizes the products. What the products? What the byproduct in the photosynthesis?
Glucose.
No.
What the byproduct?
Think once again.
What the reaction? This is
Sir is
reaction.
asking about byproduct, not fine end product.
What is the reaction?
Chemical
Chemical reaction. Chemical
Ante-
formula.
Ante utpannam
Equation.
ayyindi.
Equation of the photosynthesis.
Six
That's the equation
CO2
of
plus 12 H2O gives rise to glucose
Uh-huh.
plus 6 H2O, 6 O2.
Yes. What is the byproduct there? What is the end product
Oxygen
there?
is the byproduct.
And end product is
Oxygen.
Glucose. Byproduct is the oxygen, end product is the glucose. You know the glucose synthesis, carbohydrate production. These two are very much needed to all the living organisms. Before photosynthesis, there is no oxygen in the atmosphere, you know. Which one is the first photosynthetic organism? So many ask the question. Which one is the first photosynthetic organism?
Cyanobacteria, sir.
Yes, cyanobacteria. Cyanophyces. Cyanobacteria is the first photosynthetic organism. Okay. Only 200 billion years back, 200 billion years back, there is no oxygen in the Earth atmosphere. Though 600 billion years it happened, Earth formation. But after 200 years, only before the 200 million years only, the oxygen is evaluated. That's because of the chloroplast, evaluation of the chloroplast. You know that chloroplast is only the organism that releasing the oxygen and carbohydrates. Like that, we're having the lot of importance to the plant, but we are totally neglecting the plants. Now, we should know the importance of the plant, what it is giving to us. Then we automatically learn the botany. We automatically get interest about the botany, to learn the botany. Only thing is we all feel now what the use of it? What the use of it? Why we have to study? Whenever we feel it is having the importance, then only we go further. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why you should know the importance of the plants. You should know what it is giving. You know, if there is no plant, no oxygen, we have to carry the oxygen cylinder. We have to synthesize the oxygen chemically. You know, at the corona time, how many members they bought the oxygen cylinders? Okay. That's a lot of importance is there. You know, the photosynthesis and respiration is quite opposite reaction. Do you know? Photosynthesis and respiration.
Yes, sir. Both are opposite.
Yeah, what the
Photosynthesis is a endergonic reaction and respiration is a exergonic reaction. And in photosynthesis, it is a photooxidative phosphorylation. In respiration, oxidative phosphorylation.
Yes, good. You see the reaction, whatever the end product, here is the primary product for the respiration. There the glucose, it splits the glucose, it burns the glucose, and it converts into energy. You know, dahana charya, respiration is, it burns the whatever the food material, and it get converted into energy. You know how many kilocalories of energy from one glucose? How many kilocalories energy is released from the glucose? How many ATPs which form from the one glucose? How
From
many?
one glucose, 38 ATPs are formed, sir.
And then of that, how many utilized? What the remain? Net.
2 ATPs are consumed in glycolysis pathway.
Yes, in the glycolysis pathway. What the glycolysis reaction is?
It
Where
is
it
a
occurs?
amphibolic pathway. It is
Yes,
presence of oxygen and absence of oxygen.
yes, yes. In anaerobic, aerobic, in the both, it occur glycolysis. Because of the anaerobic reaction, we could able to ferment the food material. Anaerobic respiration is nothing but the fermentation. In absence of the oxygen,
Yes,
the
sir.
glucose molecule which get converted into
Alcohol.
and carbon dioxide, C2H5OH plus CO2. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Partially splits. It's not completely splitted, glucose molecule. That two byproducts are very, very important. That anaerobic respiration is happen in the fungi, bacteria. The fungi and bacteria, that anaerobic reaction will occur. That reaction is earning trillion dollars of the money. $1 trillion of the money because of fermentation. In what way we are getting the trillion dollars of the money? That with the fermentation, alcohol production, C2H5OH. Yes. That fermentation, due to that fermentation, we could able to prepare alcohol, beer, brand, whiskey, wine, rum, gin, vodka. These all we are able to prepare because of fermentation reaction. If there is no fermentation reaction, there is no beverages, no beer, brand, whiskey, wine. If there is no carbon dioxide, releasing of the carbon dioxide in the fermentation, there is no bread, cake, puff, pizza, whatever it is. That carbon dioxide, it forms the air bubbles. The carbon dioxide is the heat gas. While releasing it out from the carbohydrates, it forms the bubbles, spaces. Due to that, the bread, roti, that will be swollen, bulged, and loosened. That is the bakery products. The bakery products. That bakery products also because of fungi. If there is no yeast, no bakery, no beverages. No bakery, no beverages if there is no yeast. There's a lot of importance is there for the fungi. The second most largest group of living organism. Second most largest living organism. Are you there? Second most largest living organism is the fungi. Which one is the first highest number of living by insects? Insects is the first highest number of the living biota is present on Earth. The second most is the fungi. Study about the fungi is called as
Mycology.
not my college, not yours college. Okay, it's mycology. What it is? Mycology. Don't give the space between my and college. Okay. Okay, it's not yours college, it's mycology. Study about the mites. Okay. Mites means molds, mushrooms. Molds and mushrooms. You know the molds? బూజులు అంటామా?
Bread mold.
Bread mold, black mold, pin mold, whatever if the vegetables or fruits, it is spoiled, we can see the molds upon the spoiled vegetables, fruits, and roti, chapati, bread. That all are fungi. You know the mucormycosis, black fungi. At the corona time, so many are get infected with the black fungi. Mucor. You know the mucor? It belongs to Zygomycotina. Mucor. The mucor is called mucormycosis. Due to that, so many are get infected and died. It not affect all the organisms. Those who are having the sugar patients get affected with the corona, only infected by the mucor. Okay. Those people only get affected with the mucor, that are mucormycosis. Mucor. Okay. Eyes and small vessels, where there is a small vessels that are get infected, and all the blood with the sugar, those who having, all are affected with the mucormycosis. Sugar patient, diabetic patient. Okay. And you know who is the father of mycology? Who is the father of mycology? Who is the father of mycology? Is it visible? Are you watching this slide?
Yes.
Mycology.
Yes. Mycology, Italian scientist. Mycology is the father of mycology. You know who is the father of modern mycology? DeBary. Anton DeBary is the father of modern mycology, and also father of plant pathology. Father of plant pathology.
Enrich, sir. Enrich. Enrich.
What happened? Enrich, that means H.A. DeBary.
Avun sir.
Anton DeBary.
Yes. Anton
Avun sir.
DeBary, the German
DeBary.
scientist. He is the father of
Modern mycology.
Who is the father of Indian mycology?
Indian mycology.
Butler. E.J. Butler. Who is that? E.J. Butler is the father of Indian mycology. Has done a lot of our extensive work in the fungi in our India.
Butler.
John Butler, sir.
Yes. E.J. Edwin John Butler is the father of Indian mycology. You know the fungi belongs to? Fungi are?
Thallophyte.
Yes, good. Thallophytes. All the thallophytes are fungi?
No. Some non-chlorophyte is fungi. Some non-chlorophyllous thallophyte is a fungi, sir. Chlorophyllous fungi is algae.
Chlorophyllous autotrophic thallophytes are algae.
Algae.
Achlorophyllous heterotrophic thallophytes are fungi. chlorophyll. There is no chlorophyll. And heterotrophic. That means it depends on others for their food material. They don't synthesize their own food material. Okay. That's why heterotrophic. You know what is the difference between autotrophic, heterotrophic? పరపోషకాలు, స్వయం పోషకాలు, పరపోషకాలు. Heterotrophic means it depends on others for their own food material and nutrition. Okay. The fungi, bacteria are heterotrophic. Okay. You know autotrophic bacteria? Some bacteria are autotrophic. Can you example?
Nasdaq, Anabinum, Oscillatoria.
Cyanobacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria is there. No? Photosynthetic bacteria is there, na? Purple sulfur bacteria, non-sulfur bacteria. These all are photosynthetic, I mean autotrophic bacteria. Okay, they also ask the question, autotrophic bacteria. Okay. And then, what is the plant body of the fungi? What is the plant body of fungi?
Thallus.
Thallus. What it is? Thallus. That's why we named it as thallophyte. Thallophyte. Thallus like plant body. Phyte means plant, thallus. Okay. Okay, what is the basic structure of the fungi? Basic unit, basic structure.
Hype.
Hype. Very good. Hype, fundamental structure, the basic structure, structural unit of the fungi is
Type A.
hype. Very good. Hype. Hypa, hype. Did also asking so many times question. Hypa. The singular or plural? Which one is the plural? Which one is the singular? Hypa is the plural. Hype is the plural. Hypa is the singular. Single. You know the mycelium? Mycelium. Networking, interconnecting or networking hype is called as
Mycelium.
networking, interconnected. You see the interconnected. Thallus hype, which are interconnected. The interconnected hype is calling as mycelium. It's calling as mycelium. Okay. You know the hype types are there. Septate, aseptate. So many times I ask the question. Aseptate hype present in. Aseptate. There is no septa. All the body is only one cell like structure.
Pass examples. Zygom. Like this.
Which one?
Rhizopas is a xenocytic fungi.
Yes, xenocytic mycelium. That means more number of the nucleus is present. Because there is no septa, that's why all the nucleus are in the single cellular like structure. Xenocytic, that is there in the zygomystis, rhizopas, mucor. Okay. And the septas are present usually in the higher fungi. Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina. The septa is present in between the cells. You see the septa. You know the septa again two types. How many types? three types are there: non-porous, simple porous, and
Doliporous.
doliporous. Non-porous, simple porous, and doliporous septa. Okay. Okay. You know the doliporous septa are present in so many times asked the question. Doliporous septa are present
Basidiomystis.
Basidiomystis. You know the two paranthrosomes which combine and it having the small porous space in between the two paranthrosomes. Rendu kobbari chippalaga untai. That means the cell wall septa is swollen at the middle. It bulged and it formed the paranthosome. That is called as doliporous septa, which are present in Basidiomystis. You know the simple porous septa, which having the only simple porous, which having the simple single porous. If suppose it is the hyphae having the septa here and there, its septa having the small porous space, open space, that are simple porous septa. That simple porous septa are present in Ascomycotina. Which group? Ascomystis fungi. Which group of fungi? Ascomystis fungi. Simple porous septa is present. Doliporous septa is present in Basidiomystis. Okay. Accepted fungi present in Zygomystis, Mucorrhizopas. Okay. Have you understood? From this, every time asking the question, accepted, simple porous septa, doliporous septa, which are present in? Which are present in? You know, now, you know, which type of the septa present in which group? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, the fungi are holocarpic and eucarpic. Two types are there. Holocarpic means, can you give the example for the holocarpic? Single cellular fungi, which all the plant cell will become the fruiting body in the reproduction. That is holocarpic. Holo means all, total, full. Full body will become the fruiting body. Carpic means fruit, carp. Full body will become the fruiting body that releases spores. Holocarpic. You know, yeast, Olpidium. Single cellular structure. Which are single cellular structure, which all the body, single cellular structure, all the body which having the spores, which turn into sexual fruiting body. Olpidium, yeast. These are holocarpic. Okay, give the example. Which among is the holocarpic fungi? Which one? Yeast, Olpidium. Okay. And then eucarpic. Remaining all are eucarpic. You know, thallus, thallus-like body, thallus-like body, which having are what type? Eucarpic. Eucarpic. It having the true corpus, fruiting body structure. Okay, holocarpic and eucarpic. You know, so many times asking the question, Aspergillus, telomorph stage of Aspergillus, or perfect stage of Penicillium, perfect stage of Aspergillus, perfect stage of Cercospora. We are asking so many times the question, what is the perfect stage of Aspergillus? You know the perfect stage? Perfect stage means sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction stage. You know, dustbin fungi. Which group of fungi is called as dustbin fungi? Which group of fungi? Deuteromycotina. Which group it is? Deuteromystis fungi is called as dustbin fungi. Why? Whenever we find out the fungi, first we keep it in this group. After conclusion, finalizing of the sexual stage, then we shift into the different divisions of the fungi. If it having the zoospores, flagellated spores, then we shift into which group of fungi? You know the which group of fungi having the flagella? Only one group of fungi which having the flagella. Can anybody?
Zygomystis.
Zygomystis. Mastigomycotina. Mastigomystis. Zygomystis mucorrhizopus, it having the flagella?
No, sir.
Name it indicate mastigomycotina. Mastigo means plumule, flagella. Fungi which having the flagella. Mastigomycotina. Mastigonemes, that means flagellas. Fimbrils. Fimbrils, flagellas are called as mastigonemes. Fungi which having the mastigoneme. Only one group of fungi that having the flagella. That is Mastigomycotina. You know, also called as Chytridiomystis. Chytridiomycetes. You know, the Mastigomycotina divide into 3 groups. What are those? You have any idea? Based upon the flagella only. Hypochytridiomystis, Chytridiomystis, Oomycetes. Who writing this? Huh? You are doing enjoy. Are you artists?